As organizations adopt .NET 10 for building modern web applications, reporting remains a critical requirement for delivering business insights, operational data, and analytics to users. These reports contain valuable business logic, carefully designed layouts, and reporting workflows that organizations want to continue using rather than rebuilding from scratch. The good news is that migrating your reports doesn't have to mean rebuilding them from scratch. If you've invested years into creating RDL reports, you can continue using those assets while modernizing your reporting infrastructure. In this video, I'll show you how to migrate existing SSRS reports to Bold reports and embed them directly into a .NET 10 ASP.NET Core application without redesigning your reports. Let's get started. For years, SSRS has helped organizations generate pixel-perfect operational and business reports. However, modern development teams need reporting solutions that integrate seamlessly into today's web applications, support scalable architectures, and provide a better developer experience. The challenge isn't the reports themselves. It's how to continue delivering those reports in modern applications while preserving the investments that you've already made. Instead of rebuilding hundreds of reports, a smarter approach is to migrate and reuse them. First, open the Bold Reports report server and upload your RDL report file. Once uploaded, the report becomes available for centralized management and delivery. Next, open the report in the report viewer and verify its report layout. Next, create a new ASP.NET Core application using .NET 10. Once the project is ready, install the required Bold Reports NuGet packages. These packages provide the report viewer components needed to embed and render reports inside your application. Now, configure the required scripts and styles for Bold Reports in the layout.cshtml file. These are essential for enabling the report viewer UI, rendering engine, and interactivity. And add the script manager in the layout.cshtml. Next, to initialize the report viewer component within the tag helper, open the viewimports.cshtml file and include the following codes. Now open the index.cshtml file and add the Bold Report Viewer component. This viewer will be responsible for displaying reports directly inside your ASP.NET Core application. Next, configure the report viewer with the following properties. The report service URL is the API endpoint used to process reports. The report server URL defines the report server instance. The report path specifies which report you want to load from the server. For this example, you can select a report from the Sample Reports category available in the report server. To enable secure access, configure the authorization token. Log into the Bold Reports report server. Since I am loading the report from Site 1, I will be opening the Site 1. Generate a personal access token from your Bold Reports report server profile. Copy the token and configure it within your application. Now run the application. The ASP.NET Core app opens in the browser, and the report viewer loads the report directly from the Bold Reports report server. With Bold Reports, you can migrate existing SSRS RDL reports. Avoid report redesign and manual rework. Preserve pixel-perfect formatting. Embed reports into .NET 10 applications. Centralize report management through the report server. Deliver secure, scalable reporting experience. In this video, we've seen how to migrate SSRS reports to Bold Reports and embed them directly into a .NET 10 ASP.NET Core application. By reusing your existing RDL reports, you can modernize your reporting infrastructure, reduce migration effort, and deliver a seamless reporting experience to your users. To learn more, visit boldreports.com. Start your 30-day free trial, or schedule a demo with one of our reporting experts. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Bold Reports tutorials. Thanks for watching.